In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange Google Calendar 2025 step by step. We'll walk through creating a dedicated calendar, styling it so it stands out, and adding an event to it so your schedule stays clear and organized. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, focus on the left panel. That's where all your calendars live and where we'll set up a new one. Look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Next to it, you'll see a small three-dot menu. Click that to reveal more options, then choose Create New Calendar. You'll be taken to a setup page. In the name field, type New. You can also add a short description if you like, but the name is the key part here. When you're ready, select Create Calendar. Google will confirm that your new calendar has been created. Return to the main calendar view. On the left side, again, look for the calendar you just made. You should see New listed among your calendars. Hover over it and click the three dots beside its name. This opens customization options. Pick a color you like, so events on New are easy to recognize at a glance. Bright, distinct colors often work best if you track multiple calendars. Now let's add an event to this specific calendar. In the calendar grid, right-click on the date and time you want. A quick event window will appear. Type a clear event name so it's easy to identify later. Adjust the date and time if needed to match your plan. If there's a physical place or an online link, add a location. This is optional but helpful for directions or joining info. Use the description box to include notes, agendas, or anything you'll need at a glance. Before finishing, make sure the event is saved to the correct calendar. In the event window, open the calendar dropdown and select New. This step ensures the event gets the color and settings of the calendar you created, keeping it separate from your default calendar. Once that's set, you'll see the event appear on your calendar in the color you chose. That visual cue confirms it's stored on New, making it much easier to scan your week and separate work, personal, or project-specific plans. That's it. You created a new calendar, styled it, and added an event directly to it. Use the same flow for any project, team, or routine you want to track, and your Google Calendar will stay clean, color-coded, and easy to manage.